Dear student, we are studying about nuclear physics chapter 9. The remaining topics are as follows, such as nuclear reactor. What is nuclear reactor? Nuclear reactor is a device which is used to perform and control nuclear fission reaction and makes the energy to run the turbine to produce electricity is called nuclear reactor. Fission reaction, as you have studied in the previous topics, the breaking up of heavy nucleus by the bombardment of neutrons. When neutrons are bombarded on the nucleus, they release energy as well as the other neutrons. That energy is used for making electricity to run the turbine. It is consisted of a chamber having graphite cores with uranium rods and boron rods, one inlet for cold water and one outlet for steam. Chamber is covered with concrete walls. Look at the diagram. This is the chamber and this one is graphite core. These are uranium rods and these are boron rods. Their handle is outside the wall to control the reaction. Small amount of uranium is used to ignite, mean to start fission reaction. Large amount of energy in the form of heat is released or produced, which changes the water entering the chamber into steam to run the turbine. So this water is entering into the chamber. Here the fission reaction is being performed. Heat energy is produced which changes this water in the form of cold gas that is released from this outlet, which is in the form of steam for running the turbine. Now, boron rods are used to control the reaction. When they are inserted in the cores, they absorb the released neutrons and the reaction stops, and vice versa. Means when they are taken out from the cores, the released neutrons again start to bombard on the nuclei and energy is released. Heavy water is used to moderate the speed of neutrons, therefore it is known as moderator. Mean the heavy water is called moderator because it controls the speed of the neutrons. If you want to release less amount of energy, then you will use moderator, mean heavy water, which will stop the speed of the neutron. Now the energy from the sun. The largest source of energy is sun. The temperature inside the sun is 1.5 into 10 raised to 6 degrees centigrade. Due to this temperature, fusion reaction is performed. The fusion process has been taking place for the last 5 into 10 raised to power 9 years. Hydrogen isotopes are being used as a fuel for fusion reaction. Okay, dear students, you have to draw and practice the diagram of nuclear reactor and just only write down this paragraphs about the nuclear reactor. In the next class, we will study about the next topic.